Bona bafethu ufanele so namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngeLook Ahead igame esoyidlala against iGolden Arrows. Yes, ngiyazi bafethu siphuma ku-derby win against iKaizer Chiefs. I'm sure amaphaphu abantu bajabulile yabo kumnandi kujaya, but ke we must look ahead. We must look ahead. Igame ebalekile soyidlala against iGolden Arrows. Menikhumbula kahle ke igame ya postponewa ngosikhathi simele siyodlala le eMpumalanga Stadium. Yabo ya postpone igame because there was a lot of rain and i-stadium sasingekho right, i-pitch ayingekho right, yayi waterlogged, amanzi egcwele yabo i-pitch, abadlali bengakwazi ukudlala. So leyo game leyo yakhanselwa kuthiwa kuzonqonywa usuku lushothi kudlala, but ke kuzodlalwa ke right now, kuzodlala and igame ishintshiwe nevenue leyo match isizodlala la eMosmabhida. Yabo enye yama game lawa is now in hand. Amagame amaningi bafethu Orlando Pirates ezowadlala manje ispace sobe sincane, ngizwile nje kunamanye ama games amathathu asenqunyiwe insuku ukuthi adlala. Yabo so le game le ibaleka kakhulu because siyawudinga u3 points. Mase ubheke kwi-league right now sina 49 points, Mamelodi Sundowns in a 64 points. They won izolo against the Cape Town City FC, which is not looking good for Cape Town City. Look at them, they are on 24 points. Bana 24 points. Kaizer Chiefs, Chippa United, I think the markets are free from ama playoffs. I don't think bazowadlala ama playoffs. Maromo Gallants ngenzeke wadlala ama playoffs. Golden Arrows now ngenzeke wadlala ama playoffs. Nice for Sports United, Nerjas BFC. They might play ama playoffs. Yabo, because Cape Town City yahamba. Yabo, possible 29 points for them. Yabo. So njoba siyodlala ne team engenzeke idlale ama playoffs. Yabo. Ama playoffs yakusiyona into ongayithatha light. Ama playoffs wadlala nama team afuna ungena kwi-Betway Premiership. Yabo irole njoba ihamba nje kunzima kakhulu. Lapha ezantsi lama-team lapha ezantsi kuyangiphoxa kakhulu kwabona i-team enjengo SuperSport United, i-team enjenge Cape Town City, ama-team akanjalo onabadlali abaningi abantswempu. If you can look at Cape Town City nje, sibheke Cape Town City, let's see. Yabo, they are players, imagine abadlali be Cape Town City. Bani Prince Chueza. I like this player, Prince Chueza. Banomdlalo osuka le France, Shaquille April, one of the best youngsters I've seen. Hashim Domingo, Tulan Serrero, Emil Witzboy, one of the greatest prospects abakhona lana. Abo Jaden Rhodes, you saw Jaden Rhodes. Abo Makarenge, Sifumba, these Kamohelo Mohojo, Darwin Gonzalez, yabo Lefa Apane, abadlali abaningi abantswempu, abo Thabo Nodada. I don't know what is going on with the Cape Town City. Even bench, even ama defenders abo. Na Nathan Idumba Fasika, one of the best defenders I've seen. Lorenzo Costino, like une experience Costino, Samsung Mkhize. I don't know, Patrick Fish. Yabo mase kuba uTsego Fasonyama. Darren Kids, I feel like Darren Kids unomthelela ukuthi iCape Town City idlale kambi kanje. But ke angizeli uzokhuluma iCape Town City lana bafethu. Ngizokhuluma iOrlando Pirates, game ezoyidlala neGolden Arrows. Igame ibalekile. Mase ubheke iArrows right now ile ezansi number 12. Njoba ile ezansi number 12, their last 5 games. If you can check their last 5 games, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5. Their last 5 games badraw 2, baluza 2, bawina igame eyodwa. Yabo, badraw 2, baluza 2, bawina igame eyodwa. I-team le like iyafuna ukufika kulawa ama levels lawa, because uManqoba Mnqethu usathanda kufika. Njengoba esathanda kufika nje uManqoba Mnqethu uthathe umsebenzi onzima kakhulu, angifuqa amanga. Yabo mengasakwazi ukuyiphula off lento afuna ukuyiphula off, because right now ulwela kona ukuthi at least angene ku top 8. Nje ayina 29 points nje. Abantu abamlendelayo bana 30 points. Unumber umuntu olapha ku number 8 una 31 points. Mayasa win against Orlando Pirates Manqoba Mnqethu uzothi 30, 31, 32. Abe number 8. Yabo ulwela ungena ku top 8. Uma sibheki most of the teams alwela ungena ku top 8. So kuzoba umqansa ukushaya iThimbe kanje. So I think tell abantu la, let's at least rest some players ahead of it derby. Yabo, let's at least rest some players, because if you can see kuma players right now izolo kungijabulisile ukubona ucoach introduce ama youngsters akhona. Angazi ngawo ubani ongamqalisa kule game yakusasa kulama youngsters now. But mina ngamqalisa uBhutumelo Radio Bana ahead of leya game leya. I'll start to Radiopane up front, even though Mahoba idlalele kahle, but I'll start to Radiopane. Maybe let's say Mfokeng Yazabeko. Oh, Monapule Saling, it's a pity Yazabeko, but Mfokeng, I won't start Mfokeng game against the Golden Arrows because the Arrows, I don't know. I'm going to be lightly, but I don't think Mfokeng is a wise decision because what's if Mfokeng will tell yellow card? Gaza is the final against the Kaizer Chiefs, so we need the likes of Abu Mfokeng we final. So maybe Mfokeng Wampaga Yabo around 70 games here, but I don't think starting Mfokeng is a good choice. I'll start Mhankota though. I'll start Mhankota Yabo just to let the guy create more chances for himself. Athola amagoli ade ngagcina ukumbona ikora ku Premiership mele akora umjida yabo. We saw uSimphiwe Celeb izolo. So I'll start the guy. I feel like the guy is comfortable mephethe ibhola yabo. So ngamqalisa ku game, maybe now Yanga Madiba, who knows yabo, maybe athole game time naye yabo. Sithi introduce abadlali mfethu abancane. Bandile Shando, I don't think it's a good choice to start Bandile Shando. I think Usiyabonga Ndlozi kumele ayiqale game. Yabo. Kumele ayiqale game because umjida ungenile wenza izinto zenzeka. Nimbonile uthe sengena uNdlozi mfethu. Izinto iqalile manje uyabo nje ukusebenza. Iqalile manje adlala ibhola lisilo Orlando Pirates. Lo mjida lo angeke bafethu. Mina ngimuzwa nje ku team ye Orlando Pirates ayikabi. Mhlambe nawo umlandeli wakhe uyamsupporta, but ke when we compare the teams, look at the teams indlela yokudlala uma uthula ama team lawo. To be honest, Golden Arrows inabadlali abanayo experience yabo, abanayo experience. Sadlala ama matches awu 24, sadlala ama matches awu 22, ikora amagoli awu 18, sakora amagoli awu 34. Sakora sa consider amagoli awu 16, bona ba consider 26 yabo. Senza ama assist 19, benza ama assist 10. Defensively Lamontville Golden Arrows a team defender. A team defender kunzima ukupenetrate. We saw against Mamelodi Sundowns. Amateam kanje for me angithanda ukudlala namateam kanje because they like to show off when they play against them big three teams. As don't mean alone, but they tend to show off. They tend to prove a point when they are playing against the big three teams. You saw them playing against the Staleys. They didn't do much, but they lost against the Staleys. So I don't like to play namateam kanje. Their last two games, they lost their last two games. They lost their last two games. But uzobona masekudlala Orlando Pirates, they want to show off. Yabo. Ingakho amateam kanje, amateam njengo Cape Town City, amateam njengo Richards Bay, amateam njengo SuperSport engasuki lezansi. It's because when they are playing against amateam amakhulu, they like to show off. But when they are playing with their peers, when they are playing against Abo Chipo, when they are playing against Abo Maromo, you won't see them playing their fullest potential. Yabo. So Orlando Pirates lana akumele bathathe lightly. They must take the 3 points. Take the 3 points. Ayikabi. Because must ubuke ku squad sabo. Squad se Golden Arrows. Isquad mfethu urola olomjida sethi urula omanqoba amnqithi asibuildile. It's defensive. Indlela yokudlala yabo. Afuqama masubhenje ma forward. uRyan Moon siyamazi bafethu uRyan Moon, one of the forwards asekadlalele iKaizer Chiefs, Lungele Ngose, Angelo Van Rooyen. Ngizokuthi uNox Mathizwe bafethu. Nox Mathizwe uxoshiwe. Nox Mathizwe uxoshiwe manqoba amnqithi akasekho. Yabo. But ke omunye umdlali bengimsaba abanayo okwazi ukudlala. I don't know what happened, but ke uxoshiwe. Nduduzo Sibiya, one of the best players abanayo lapha udlala iswini. Omunye umdlali emele simgade. Utebo Khotlolane, former Orlando Pirates, Menzi Masuku, former Orlando Pirates. Ibona abadlala ngabo labo bane quality. Yabo Sazi Kumbi, Nqobeko Dlamini, David Lukele, Shadrack Kobedi, Sibeko mfethu baningi nje mfethu. Yabo baningi. masubheke lapha ama defender abo Keenan Phillips Tsabo Mahlaba recently joined them from Royal AM yabo one of the players I think bash abajoinile from Royal AM. So lesi squad esidlala ngempela isquad edlala ngempela Nkosi Ngiphile Gumede is one of the goalkeepers they took from Royal AM. So akusiyona team oyithatha kancane le angifuni uqamba ama team akubhethe Premiership amancane akumele sothatha kancane each and every team ekhona kubhethe kumele siyithathe as equals kumele siwathathe as equals because ukube siwathatha kancane ngabe siyawina wonke lama games lawa ngabe siyakwazi manje ukuwin ileague but ke right now iSundowns 64 mathematically sinayo chance osifice iSundowns mathematically. But again, when we are talking about numbers, Sundowns beat you in numbers because they know how to play. They are a well-composed team. Right now, basana leyo nto leyo ukuthi sikufinal eCAF Champions League. So ukubafika might be hard, but again, anything can happen ebholeni. Yabo. You might win 2 games, you might lose 2 games in a row. Anything can happen. You saw with the Orlando Pirates. They were winning many games, but they took a bump in their road to success and everything fell apart. They lost to Iskukun. Yabo. Now it's looking bad. But again, le game maybe izosinikeza umfutho ahead of idabi esoyidlala le. But many, like I've seen many derbies in history Orlando Pirates mesodlala idabi sijwayele ukuluza angazi indawo. Ano mina nojolo winaka le njalo mesodlala idabi sijwayele ukuluza igame mesoyidlala before idabi. Idabi le game lezodlala le Moses Mabhida, so that's another huge thing for Orlando Pirates because so dlala Moses Mabhida ifinal. So uyodlala le Moses Mabhida against Lamont Golden Arrows izosinikeza leyo edge le izosinikeza more izosinikeza ngizothini ithini leli gama le izosinikeza advantage. Yeah, izosinikeza advantage because sizokwazi ukudlala kahle kule pitch. I saw some clips because at the corner ishow le no Rick Ross lapha. I saw ukuthi abasebenzisanga ipitch. Yabo abancane abantu abathenga ama-tickets aliya event ati lapha Moses Mabhida ya Rick Ross, khona Tira, khona Khuzani, khona Nestisi, Blakey. Abantu abaningi abayanga kule show. So they decided to make the stage ibe ngala ka left la angahlali khona la kungadlalwa khona ila abadlali abajolo ukushaya khona ama warm up. So ilapho ke indawo besilapha stage besingekho inside the pitch ezosetshenziswa for ifinal. Yabo ipitch lesetshenziswa. So yeah bafethu abayidamage ipitch. I saw the pictures, I saw the videos, but bebengekho baningi. So for ama-tickets ale game aphumile ama-tickets ungako wathenga 60 rand i-ticket lilodwa. I don't think ngizokwazi ukuphumelela khona athi bengibuka ngizokwazi ukuphumelela kule game ye-Arrows ne-Pirates. I don't think I will be there, but I will be there for the final. Yabo, I will be there, I will make some videos. Ungangitshela ama-comments uma uzobukhona ungitshele. Yabo, ngizobe ngigqoka i-match yami. Maybe ufuna ukuyithenga i-match ungangitshela ama-comments uthi Vani I want to buy some match. You'll see the match in the videos I will post masengilapha e-stadium. Yabo, I'll post the match khona ngitshela ukuthi itholakala kanjani. Ufana siphume ungakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe. Sesi-11,000 views, sesi-11,000 subscribers, sengithi views 11,000 subscribers bafethu. Ngiyabonga i-support eninginikeza yona. Yabo, but ke ahead of the match le ungangitshela wena i-score prediction sakho ukuthi ngokwakho Orlando Pirates izowina siphi score la. Ngokwami I see Orlando Pirates idlula la ngo-2-0 oclean. 2-0 nje oclean. Asazi phela ke ibhola leli liyagingqika. Yabo, le team isoyidlala nayo ifuna ukusuka le ezantsi, kuyashisa phela ezantsi. Ama team ayilandelayo ama team onjengo SuperSport noRichards Bay nabo bafuna ukusuka le ezantsi, abafuna ukwadlala ama playoffs. Yabo, so bafuna ukusuka nabezantsi, bafuna ukungena ku top 8. So asazi i-team lezi engasinikeza ubungozi because babashayo umkhaya bethu bedlala la eThekwini ku 2-1 mina ngikhumbula kahle. yabo. So ngangitshela wena uthi score prediction sakho sithini. Mula ethi win asameni so support abafana bafethu. They just won against the Kaizer Chiefs. So ukuba support ukubanikeza support la eMabhida ngajabulisa kakhulu. Yabo, Jose Rivero vele useyahamba. Kumele siba support, kumele sibanikeze uthando lwethu. Ngiyabonga bafethu uva neSports lo, ngiyabonga isupport eningi yona.